Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register a business on Foursquare. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. Begin by opening your web browser. Go to the Foursquare for Business website. Click on the Get Started button. Create a new account or log in with an existing one. Fill in your business details, including the name and address. Make sure the address is accurate for proper location services. Select the business category that best fits your establishment. Upload a profile picture that represents your brand. Provide a phone number and website link for customer inquiries. Review the information for accuracy. Click on the Claim Your Venue button. Follow the prompts to verify your business ownership. Choose a verification method that suits you best. Complete the verification process as instructed. Once verified, you can add additional details like hours of operation. Make use of the insights and analytics tools provided. Customize your business page with photos and promotions. Ensure your information remains updated to attract customers. That's it. Your business is now registered on Foursquare. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.